Welcome to Magic CSC by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to see the order by command. So if you want to perform sorting, you can use this order by command. So here I am having an employee table, the same example. Here the names are in different order. I would like to sort all the records with the ascending order of names. In this order, the name should be arranged in ascending order. If I am willing to do that, I can use this order by. Select star from employee. You can give order by. So you are having different columns. You can arrange it with name or you can arrange by age, place, like that you have score, like that you are having many options. So you have to give like select star from employee, order by. Here I am going to order by name. So if you want to have an ascending order, you have to give ASC. So the names are arranged in ascending order. If you want to arrange it by descending order, you have to give DESC. So starting from C, ending in V. Now in the reverse order. So alphabetically in the reverse order it is arranged. So if you are not specifying ASC or DSC, automatically the ascending order will be followed. So here see, in ascending order the content are displayed. So order by is used for arranging the result set in either in ascending order or descending order with the help of the keyword ASC for ascending and DESC for descending. Suppose you are not giving any word like ASC or DESC, automatically ascending order will be chosen and it will be applied. So you can apply it for text data like this, as well as you can apply it for numeric data. So select star from employee, order by. I would like to order with score. So obviously we will be ordering in the descending order. The highest score should be displayed first, right? So look at this. In the descending order of the score, the entire tuple has been listed. So this is how you will be doing this order by. So if you want to sort records, you will be using this order by command. So in the next video, we will see some other command. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to Magic CSC by Eezytutorials. Thank you.